The field of conversational AI has witnessed remarkable advancements in recent years, revolutionizing the way humans interact with machines. Two prominent players in this domain are ChatGPT and Turnite AI. Both these technologies utilize natural language processing and generation to enable seamless interactions with users. This comparative analysis aims to delve into the strengths, weaknesses, and unique features of each platform, providing an insight into their capabilities and potential use cases. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI language model developed by OpenAI, built on the GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, architecture. It has garnered widespread attention for its ability to generate human-like text based on context, and has various applications, including chatbots, language translation, content creation, and more. Strengths. Language comprehension. ChatGPT demonstrates impressive language comprehension, thanks to its large-scale pre-training on diverse datasets. This enables it to understand complex queries and produce coherent responses. Generalization. ChatGPT can generalize across different topics and adapt to various conversational scenarios. It can engage in open domain conversations, making it versatile and well-suited for a broad range of applications. User-friendly. ChatGPT is designed to be user-friendly, allowing easy integration into existing applications and systems. Developers can access the API and customize the AI's behavior to align with specific requirements. Creativity. ChatGPT exhibits a level of creativity in its responses, which can be particularly useful for creative writing prompts, brainstorming sessions, and generating innovative ideas. Weaknesses. Lack of specificity. Due to its open domain nature, ChatGPT may sometimes produce responses that are excessively general or lack precise information. This can be a challenge in scenarios requiring domain-specific expertise. Prone to bias. Like any AI language model, ChatGPT is susceptible to inheriting biases present in its training data. Efforts are being made to mitigate this issue, but it remains a concern for developers and users. 2. Turnite AI. Turnite AI is another player in the conversational AI space, developed by a startup specializing in language technologies. It focuses on context-aware conversations and is designed to excel in specific domains, such as customer support and knowledge management. Strengths. Context awareness. Turnite AI places a strong emphasis on context, ensuring that it retains information from previous interactions within a conversation. This context awareness enables more meaningful and coherent responses. Domain expertise. Unlike the general-purpose nature of ChatGPT, Turnite AI is tailored for specific domains, which allows it to provide accurate and detailed information on specialized topics. Personalization. Turnite AI can adapt its responses based on user preferences, making the conversational experience more personalized and engaging. Multilingual support. Turnite AI boasts multilingual capabilities, allowing it to converse effectively in multiple languages. This feature is valuable for businesses operating globally. Weaknesses. Limited generalization. While Turnite AI excels in its designated domain, it may struggle to provide meaningful responses outside of its specific area of expertise. This restricts its versatility compared to open domain models like ChatGPT. Development flexibility. Unlike the open API of ChatGPT, Turnite AI may have more limited customization options, which could be a drawback for developers seeking more extensive control over the AI's behavior. Comparison. Use cases. Both ChatGPT and Turnite AI find applications in different scenarios. ChatGPT's general-purpose nature makes it suitable for a wide range of tasks, including chatbots, content creation, language translation, and creative writing. On the other hand, Turnite AI's domain-specific expertise makes it an ideal choice for customer support, knowledge management systems, and other areas requiring deep domain knowledge. Customization and flexibility. ChatGPT takes the lead in terms of customization and flexibility, with an open API that allows developers to mold the AI's behavior according to their specific needs. Turnite AI, while powerful within its domain, may have more limited customization options, which could be a crucial factor for some projects. Language support. Both models support multiple languages, but Turnite AI's emphasis on specialized domains could make it more valuable for businesses operating in international markets. ChatGPT's open domain nature still makes it suitable for multilingual applications, but Turnite AI's focus on domain-specific languages might provide a competitive edge in certain scenarios. Context and coherency. Turnite AI's context awareness provides an advantage in delivering more coherent and relevant responses within a conversation. ChatGPT, while highly capable in open domain contexts, may not always retain long-term context as effectively, resulting in less coherent responses in some cases. Conclusion. In conclusion, both ChatGPT and Turnite AI represent significant advancements in conversational AI technology, each excelling in specific areas. ChatGPT's strength lies in its generalization and customization capabilities, making it a versatile solution for various applications. Meanwhile, Turnite AI shines with its domain-specific expertise, context awareness, and multilingual support, catering to niche use cases such as customer support and knowledge management. The choice between ChatGPT and Turnite AI ultimately depends on the specific requirements of the project, the desired level of customization, and the nature of the conversational interactions. As AI technology continues to evolve, both platforms are likely to undergo further enhancements and improvements, solidifying their positions as prominent players in the conversational AI landscape.